Well, it'll be the tallest building west of the Mississippi, an LA landmark open in just under a year. It's only the latest sign that LA is back. Rich Samuels has the details.
Ready to build this city? You ready to build this building? You ready to make LA great again?
It was all hands on deck at the Wilshire Grand construction site as the mayor stopped by to thank the 950 men and women who are making it happen.
5 years ago, we had building tradesmen and women living in their cars, losing their homes, feeling the pinch of the greatest recession in our lives.
But those days are gone as investment and optimism returns to downtown LA. The Wilshire Grand will be a 73-story skyscraper, including restaurants, hotels, businesses, and nightlife, all in a world-class luxury environment.
Something that we could look at and tell our children and our children's children and hopefully their children that we had a hand in building it.
Representing an investment of over $1.2 billion by Korean Air and designed by A.C. Martin, one of LA's oldest planning and architecture firms, the Wilshire Grand will support 1,750 permanent jobs. During construction, it's generating $80 million in tax revenue and will contribute $16 million annually in tax revenue once it opens. And talk about numbers. The Wilshire Grand project, as of the mayor's visit, had already generated 2,264,472 work hours. It's just beginning.
And most important, look up and see this building. It's soaring to the heavens just like we're going to be doing in the city of LA.
From over 1,000 feet above the streets of LA, this is Rich Samuels for LA This Week.
The new Wilshire Grand continues a long tradition. The original Wilshire Grand Hotel opened on this site in 1952.